Hi, in the new version of the scanner we released new holder. So instead of regular holder, you can use magnetic holder. So you just put magnetic holder on the scanner as regular. And this allows you to spray model elsewhere. So you can just put model on the other part of the holder, spray it, and just put it on the holder, and this is it. You can scan the model after this. But be careful, you need to make sure that this model is not very heavy, so it's don't disconnect it or drop it during the scanning. It's very useful, so every new customer who buy new scanner will get this magnetic holder. Very useful. Just take, spray and put back. Thank you. Have a nice day.